In this video, I'll show you how to import CSV in ClickUp. Importing a CSV file into ClickUp is useful when you want to move tasks, project data, client lists, content plans, or spreadsheets into your workspace without entering everything manually. First, open ClickUp in your browser and sign in to your account. Then choose the workspace where you want to import your CSV file. Before importing, make sure your CSV file is organized properly. Your spreadsheet should have clear column headers, such as task name, description, assignee, status, priority, due date, start date, tags, or custom fields. This helps ClickUp understand where each piece of information should go. Next, click your workspace avatar or settings area, then look for the import option. Depending on your ClickUp layout, you may also find import tools inside workspace settings or through the sidebar. Choose CSV as the import source. Then upload your CSV file from your computer. ClickUp will read the file and show you a preview of the data. Now map your CSV columns to ClickUp fields. For example, match your task title column to the task name field, your deadline column to the due date field, and your notes column to the description field. If your CSV includes columns that do not match standard ClickUp fields, you may be able to create custom fields during the import. This is helpful for information like budget, client name, campaign type, progress stage, or project category. After mapping the fields, choose where the imported tasks should go. Select the space, folder, or list where you want ClickUp to create the tasks. Review the import settings carefully before continuing. Make sure the dates, statuses, and task names look correct. Finally, start the import and wait for ClickUp to process the file. Once it finishes, open the selected list and check that your tasks were added correctly. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.